Alright, let me open up a bit a clock. So uh, it's really loading. Thinking it's okay now. When I say loading, it actually renders. So let's start this. Let's click this and okay. So delete this comment line and the background apply in the body. So this you say background and the color you want, and then we can see here 4 right triangles. So let's create 4 right triangles here and its placeholder. So we're gonna say class try 1, try 2, try 3, try 4, 2, 3, and 4, and then rename this to try 1 or triangle 1. Now let's start designing a triangle, creating a triangle. Let's just maintain that. So to create a triangle, remove this background property and then make the width 0, also the height. Then create a border left, that's right, border left 50, maybe for us 75 pixel. So transparent, copy this for the right and copy this for the left, bottom as its base. So unlike the left and the right, the bottom has a color that is not transparent. So the color we can see in the screen like that. And to create this, to make a right triangle, we must make the side, one side, what do you call this, parallel or intersect. No, this is also intersecting, but perpendicular, I guess that's the word. Let me search it a bit. Perpendicular. An angle at yeah, perpendicular, that's correct. An angle of 90 degrees, like that. This is a perpendicular, like they are connected on some point or something, like they have an angle of 90 degrees. That's exactly what we are trying to do. So make the one side perpendicular and the one side is slant, or it's, when I remember in trigonometry, it's called hypotenuse. So anyway, that's none of our business. So let's make the left side perpendicular, like that. Let's make this 0. As you notice, if I make the right side also 0, the rectangle would not be existing. Yes, because it has no side at all. So yes, this is the right triangle, and let's make this 75 more bigger. Let's say 85, 85, maybe 100. Then make this center. that, and long spelling, I guess, position colon, yeah, and adjust this to the top, and to the left. Yep, and let's create for the triangle 2 as also just below this triangle 1. I can hypothetically write from left to right, but the triangle 1 is the top right triangle is similar. No, they are not similar, they are opposites. Wait. Okay, let's make this triangle 1 to the left and triangle 2 to the right. So left and right. Then the bottom is triangle 3 and triangle 4. Okay, let's do that. So for the triangle 2, let's exchange these values. Put the value of the right to the left, and yes, that's it. And just invert this horizontal position to the positive, and yes, that's it. Now, to create the bottom part of this triangle, let's copy this triangle 1 and rename this to 3. The base of this triangle is on top, so let's change this to top instead of bottom, and let's push this to the bottom. So just invert this, and let's also do that to the triangle 4. Oops. Triangle 4 would be base of top. Oh, it's submitted even though I did not click submit. Maybe I pressed the shortcut key enter. So let's continue. For the triangle 4 has a base of top. Okay, this is right, and has a perpendicular to the, this is not right but left, I guess. Yeah, let's make this left. This value here, let's transfer it here, and I mean perpendicular on the right side, but the value is applied on the left here, and invert this value, the horizontal position. So we already have 4 triangles, right triangles. All we need to do is these 7 circles in the middle. So let's create that. Copy this. So C1, and copy this 7 times. This is C2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Delete this. Copy this C1. Anyway, let's put this on top for us to not scroll down. This is not overlapping design, so it's okay even it is position scattered. Its position is not defined. Okay. So to create a circle, let's define width 20 pixel for now, height also 20 pixel. They must be the same size or the same value, right? And the color is white, so let's copy this and put this on the center. So we have a centering here, 3 lines. So So position absolute, margin auto, and all sides must be 0 to make a center element. So as you can see, our square is smaller, so let's make it bigger like that, and put a border radius to wrap this up. Make a circle. Radius. Guess that's enough, and repeat this 7 times. Okay, let's first do the C2 and C3. So for the C2, just adjust the horizontal position or the slide position here, the left or the right. So the left must be negative 50, 150, 100. And for the C3, let's create just invert this, so 100 also, and copy this. So we need C4 and C5 here, so C4 and C5. The C4 is maybe 200, and this is also 200. And lastly, for the C6 and C7, copy this, paste here, rename this, also this, and add 100, add 100, submit. It consumed 120 lines of code, and this is not really efficient to do this thing, but at least we did it. Okay.